What's up, guys? Welcome to next video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. We're going drifting. I didn't think we were gonna make it. I really didn't. Shout out to Austin. We had a couple parts on the Corvette that I did not have, and he was kind enough to take them off his Corvette just so we could hit the drift event. Thanks, buddy.
What Corvette?
We definitely didn't have these. Definitely didn't have these hood latches. And we didn't have a mirror. So, shout out to Austin for his, his like 240 that he took them off.
Right.
He hasn't told people he bought a Corvette yet. But he bought one. Now they know, dude. So we're gonna wrap this up. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, way too early. Mount extra trailer tire. Oh yeah, it's also 4 degrees outside in Kansas City. I think I'm moving to Texas. But yeah, we have one little trailer tire to mount because this one is trashed. Yeah, look at that. We needed a spare for sure. And then load up some tires and let's go drift. All right, guys, it's like 7:22 in the morning. We wanted to be leaving KC at 5 o'clock this morning. How did this morning go?
It's horrible. Horrible. It's freezing. I can't feel my hands.
Yeah, it's crazy cold. But the Corvette's all loaded up. We have plenty of spares. Got about 10 hours of driving ahead of us. Hopefully we get there at like 5:30 or 6. But got a trailer spare. Yeah. Here, Austin.
Just a nice little...
What kind of Charger is that? Is this 1974?
I mean...
We're bringing it back to the corded phone days?
I'm a little bit of a hipster.
All right. We're in some part of Tonkawa, Oklahoma or something like that. Austin's over here making fun of me. He's like, have you ever done like a burnout in the Corvette or anything like that? And I was just like thinking, and I've started it up to pull it on the trailer. So that means it's ready to drift.
Yeah, I guess.
So, yeah, I'm not the least bit concerned. But Austin thinks we're gonna have a fun weekend. I know we're gonna have a fun weekend.
Yeah, I think we'll have some problems.
But yeah, I've never done a burnout in this car. You know what? The fastest I've ever driven this car was about 7 miles an hour.
Oh, great.
I've never put it in second gear. And we're taking it straight to a drift event.
Just first and reverse?
First and reverse. Yep.
At least those gears work.
Yeah. So we're in for a fun weekend. Hopefully 0 issues. So this is Austin's first time to driving through Texas because he was at the airport one other time. So where you gotta stop first when you go to Texas?
Oh my. Dude, that's massive. That's absolutely gigantic.
Good old Buc-ee's.
200 gas pumps?
Dude, there's...
Holy cow.
Yeah, if you guys never been to Buc-ee's, you missing out.
Dude, that's huge.
I had mentioned I wanted to move to Texas. One of the reasons I did want to move down here was for the Buc-ee's.
Good Lord.
They got everything you can imagine. We'll do like a quick little tour with Austin.
Dude, this place is huge.
It's like a Walmart, bro, except like better.
I literally feel like we're going to Walmart right now.
Dude, it's like a quick trip on steroids.
I don't even think you can compare it.
If you guys haven't been to a quick trip, I mean, that's what we got in the Midwest. It ain't nothing compared to a Buc-ee's, though.
It's not even comparable.
Dang, and gas is cheap. $2 a gallon for diesel. I sound like an old man now. Diesel's cheap, bro. Let's see if there's somebody blocking the diesel pump with their gas car.
Yep.
Oh, is that Yaris about to come in there?
Nope, that would be a disgrace.
Alright, we're good. We good.
Get some def?
They sell grills at the gas station. Oh, we cooking with peanut oil now. Look at all these nice grills.
They got any tables?
We got chairs, umbrellas.
Oh.
Welcome to Buc-ee's. It's like just like Quick Trip, bro.
They're so nice. Free samples? What is this?
Dude, look at these hats, bro.
Oh, are those chocolate briskets?
Oh, that looks so fire. We got like a whole gift shop over here. We got pecans, fudge. Oh yeah, you order off these menus right here. We got like a clothes shop over there. We got everything. We got cigars over there, dude. You want a cigar?
Dude, this is nuts.
Austin really likes golfing, so I'm just assuming that he probably likes cigars too. We got everything though. We got jerky. They got like, yeah. So we got some beef jerky. We got some brisket sandwich. These super badass waters. This is like an aluminum can. Bougie, what'd you think of Buc-ee's?
It's sick. It's massive.
There's like, I didn't realize they have shopping carts in there. Like people, like you could honestly do your grocery shopping in there if you really wanted to.
For sure.
But I think this is probably the last tank of gas we're gonna have to fill up on. And we're like close to 4 hours away from Austin. So. How is the spicy beef jerky at Buc-ee's?
Dude, it is so hot. I can't even believe it. Like my nose is running.
Austin doesn't like spicy food very much.
I mean,
Do we need to stop and get you a milk, bro?
no, I'll be fine.
Are you sure are you sweating over there?
I'm sweating. I might take my sweatshirt off.
Well, I mean, you should. It's 54 degrees now. And when we left KC, it was like, what, like less than 10? Way less than like. Language!
I'll bleep it.
I really don't know what's with me and road trips, but yeah, I don't know. We don't have a code reader, so should we just keep driving on it?
Let's send it, man.
All right, bet.
Kind of deep into Texas.
Yeah, we're like 3.5 hours away from the truck. Somebody will have a scanner there for sure. We're making absolutely terrible time. Austin liked Buc-ee's so much, we had to make a second stop.
Had to.
He wants one of them sliced briskets again. What's up, guys? Good morning. We're in Austin, Texas. Austin.
Yeah.
It's like 7:30 in the morning, and we dropped the trailer off at the track last night, and the truck's in limp mode now. So like I'm like full throttle right now. We gotta find out O'Reilly's and hopefully not die today with this truck, because yeah, we're still like 700 miles away from home. What are you laughing about, Austin? This isn't funny.
It's a great situation we're in right
These
now.
aren't jokes. We should have just driven the Corvette. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see that, but that's O'Reilly's up there. The plan is if we don't make it up the hill, that Austin's gonna get out and start pushing.
Yeah, I got this.
Did you drink your muscle milk this morning?
No, but I had some milk, so it should be good.
Yeah, they're literally gonna laugh when you see this. All right, full throttle. Legitimately, full throttle.
Come on.
All right, it's all right. Come on. I knew I should have bought a Ford.
Found on road dead.
This is full throttle. Please don't turn green for us. God. Dude, I don't know if we're gonna start back up if we stopped on the hill.
Brake boost, baby.
Brake boost it? Oh yeah, look at that brake boost. Woo!
I might stop in that CVS.
Oh, yep, here we go. This is full throttle. This is legitimately full throttle.
No way. Yeah, I'm just gonna run. I'll see you there.
Dude, I think we could get one of those Lime scooters and take it to the track before this truck gets here. Yeah, you.
You bleeped yourself.
Dude, I'm getting good at it. Oh, there's the promised land.